Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take a 5-minute trade with our strategy. So let's get started. Currently, as you can see, market is retracing in the downward direction because previously, if you look carefully, you will see that the price action was not healthy enough, and that's why retracement phase is happening here. Now if we look on the overall trend, it looks like that the market is ranging on major scale, so we can take trades based on the minor trend, and here we can say that it was uptrend previously. This is the retracement phase, and I guess some retracement is required in this case also. Why? Because according to me, the retracement should continue till this level. This was a steep move, the sharp move by the market, and so some retracement is required, and till this level to be precise. So right now, as you can see, market is on a smaller scale. This is the run and this is the retracement, and we are going to use the same. So first of all, let me increase the time, and here this is the resistance level. Market is moving towards that. So the situation is simple. Market needs some retracement, and the retracement is going to happen till this level, I guess. And so we have got enough room to place a 5-minute trade. Now we have to work on the price action over this time frame, this chart, sorry. And you can see here that we can say that market is forming lower lows here and lower highs. So in future, market is going to reverse from the above direction in the lower direction to create a lower high. So for that, we have to wait for the price action to perform. The market needs to get weak, and with some candlestick confirmation, we can surely place a trade. Now this is the setup. Now let's wait for the setup, and it is going to take some time. So I'm going to fast forward this video to save some time. So let's wait. So we have placed our trade, and the reason why I placed the trade, let me explain you the trading setup. So first of all, as I was in a favor of market going down because the retracement is not over, and for me market should be going furthermore in the downward direction. So this is the first thing that that I was sure that market will fall. The second thing which I noticed, that you can see the price action here, it shows that market should be going down. The price action suggested that it's a downtrend market on that smaller chart. You can see, if you look carefully on this chart, this trend line shows the trend direction to be downtrend. The third thing, you can see market goes up, it got rejected back from the trend line. It's a confirmed trend line, and after rejecting from that level, I didn't place my trade here because market was not able to break the recent support. I didn't place my trade on this candle because market closes just near to that recent support level. I placed my trade after this candle because market broke completely the recent support level. And if I draw a trend line here, you will see that this is also a breakout. So all in all, I got two breakout, a good volume candlestick. The price action was in our favor, and on the major scale, market should be going down, and that's why that are the reason that I have placed my trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result, I'll try to explain you one more time the setup and the mindset that I have before placing the trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily. As you can see, market is falling smoothly as I was expecting it to perform. So let me explain you once again the reason why I took this trade. So first of all, let me remove all these levels. So the first thing that I noticed on this chart, when I started this session is that this is some unhealthy price action, and whenever you find these strong move by the market, you will always find that the market ends up retracing back very strongly again. So in my mind, I was sure that market is going to reverse and will retrace back in the lower direction. Now market was till this level and it reverses from here till this level. For me, the retracement was not complete, because according to me, market should be retracing at least till this level, because it will confirm a 70% at least a retracement, because I think 70% retracement is required when you find these sharp move in the market. So in my mind, I was thinking that as market will go up, it will start falling again once it created the lower high. Now by lower high, I mean, for me overall market should be falling, but after that I have focused here and find that market is trying to create lower low and lower high. So this is a price action that shows that market should be going down. Now when market was here, it was moving in the upward direction, so I draw a trend line. This is the trend line. This was a valid trend line, and you can see market reverses from that level. So now it's a confirmed trend line. Market got rejected from the same level. You can see that it's a strong resistance. Also here, if you focus, let me draw that level. So this is this was a support level previously, and as it's been broken, it can work as a resistance. Now we have got two levels. This is the trend resistance and this is the horizontal level of resistance. Both of these levels are here. Market goes up, so we can say that on smaller scale this is the retracement, and this is going to be the run in which the market will create the next lower low option. So here market formed a good reversal pattern, but I didn't place my trade with this candle. Why? The reason was, if you draw a support level, see, market goes up, it goes down, it got rejected back from this level and it goes up again. Now for me, this is the recent support level. If market break that support level, we can be sure that market now will fall smoothly. But you can see this candle closes just above the level, so I was not able to place my trade on this candle. I was waiting for the next candle, and this candle closes just at the level, so it was confusing and I didn't place a trade. So what I did, I again draw a trend line like this, and let me remove everything first. So I draw this trend line, and I found that this is a clear breakout from the trend line as well as from the recent support. This is the recent support. It was previously the recent support, but now as market reached till this level and got rejected back, this is the recent support. Now this candle broke all these levels, the recent support as well as the trend support. Now most of you are thinking that why I'm not using and drawing a trend line like this, because it will make this trend line very steep, and we all know that when the angle is very high, in most cases the trend line will fail, and if I got a wrong signal, I will going to lose the trade. And that's why I use trend lines that are not that steep but looks quite like you can see the angle is between the 60 and the 45 degree. These are the angles that works really best when it comes to trend line. If you want to know more about the trend line, you can watch my video in the playlist section about how you can draw a trend line. I have explained everything that I know about on drawing trend line. So the market broke here very strongly with a strong candlestick pattern. Both of these levels been broken. The price action was in our favor that market should be going down, and for me market should be falling furthermore to complete the retracement phase. So I placed my trade as soon as this candle finishes here, and after that market falls smoothly, and you can see still in the lower section of the chart. I hope you have learned something out of this video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll answer you as soon as possible. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.